Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Open Chrome settings and choose Reset Settings to their original defaults. This returns startup pages and search engine settings to original state. It also clears pin tabs, content settings, cookies, and site data. Your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords remain intact after the reset. Use Reset when multiple settings are wrong or a theme breaks the appearance. Expect Chrome to restart and show a clean profile. Check Chrome//settings/reset after restart to confirm the browser is back to defaults. Go to Chrome//extensions and toggle off all extensions to isolate issues. Restart Chrome and see if the problem persists with extensions disabled. Remove any extension you do not recognize or that shows errors and warnings. Visit Chrome//settings/appearance and switch to a default theme to restore normal toolbar and tab appearance. Use incognito mode to test sites without extensions influencing results. Re-enable extensions one by one to identify the culprit extension. Run a reputable anti-malware scan and remove any threats found on your computer. Use built-in Chrome cleanup or a third-party scanner for thorough coverage. If issues persist after cleaning, uninstall Chrome from your system completely. Backup bookmarks to an HTML file before uninstalling to prevent data loss. Download and reinstall the latest stable build from Google to replace corrupted files. Sign back into Chrome to sync bookmarks, history, and passwords and confirm the browser behaves normally.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.